Hey guys, this is the very first episode of Max's Home Survival Guide, and today we're talking about changing filters and furnaces. Does my furnace have a filter? Oh god. Alright, when should I change my furnace filter? Can you run the furnace without one? Alright, are you filming? Yeah, great. That's what I was hoping. I am searching furnace filters because I know that it's something I need to take care of, and I'm not really sure about anything more than that. I'm looking up to see how often I'm supposed to change my furnace filter. I'm a single occupant. I only need to change my furnace filter every 6 to 12 months, and it has been 6 to 12 months. But if I had a pet or allergies, I would have to change it as frequently as 20 to 45 days. So that's information you want to know. The average suburban home, 90 days. Furnace filters are the leading cause of furnace issues. So dirty filters restrict airflow and therefore cause a lot more furnace problems than we need in our lives. So I'd like to introduce everyone to my furnace. It's keeping me warm. Ooh, ow. It's getting some corrosion. Someday I'll have to replace this bad boy, but for now he's working just fine. The only problem is that I really don't know where the filter could be, and I think it's in here, but I might also be tearing apart the ductwork. Here we go. Here it comes. I don't think that opens.
I think this is it.
This is it. This is it.
I don't know.
Here we go. Whoa.
Maybe not. Close it.
Close it, close it. Oh, here it is. Look at it.
Oh, is it?
Or this is not. Is this where this is supposed to be? All right. All right. All right. So we're gonna have to take these to the store. We'll rip this off and be able to find one. Oh God. I don't know if this is where this belongs. Holy crap, you guys. All right. Am I doing this right? Oh no. Okay, should the furnace be off for this? Is this safe to not have one in there? Is this safe? This is what you do. You tear this off and you take this to the Value Home Center and God.
You'll need to turn off your furnace.
Okay, let's turn this off real quick. Let's go upstairs and turn the heat off real quick. System, turn it off. We don't want the air on. We just want it off.
Hang on.
I need some chapstick for lunch. I'm wearing every shade of black.
At least you're not wearing your.
There's another shade of black. The shades of my furnace. Filter. Nothing feels better. Nothing smells better. And I need chapstick. All the accessories. Does anyone remember what the thing was?
I remember seeing 1624 or something. Is that a thing? That...
Did you leave it at home?
Yeah. We might have to go back. We really left it. Hi. Good. How are you?
Good. Filter kind of thing?
I'm here for a furnace filter.
Furnace filter? Okay, you want to go straight all the way back against the wall.
All the way back against the wall. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel like the paparazzi. Actually,
Watch where you're going.
does anyone know who I am?
Look out.
It's a good thing that I forgot to bring the tab with us. Is it this one? Oh, it's this one. Odor reduction. What? This is where all the heat starts though. Why would I need odor reduction? Look how different that looks from the one that was in there. Is this the numbers?
Yeah, that's the right numbers.
1625-1.
25-1. Healthy living. That has a tag.
How much are these?
Look at it.
20 bucks, 20. Allergy defense. How do you know which one to get? All right, let's get
This one just says clean living. Maybe that one.
healthy living off. I'd
Healthy
much rather be
living.
healthy
Are
than
you clean or healthy?
I'm not. Why do I have to pick?
So that one, I mean, it's more expensive, so it probably is better, right?
Okay, more
That's how life
expensive,
works.
more better.
More expensive, more.
Um,
Or they just have super basic ones too.
I don't need basic. I'm already so basic.
Last up to 3 months. Up to.
Up to. Is there any that last longer than that? 3 months, 3 months, 3 months.
So you made a decision?
Do we need anything else? Bird seed? We probably need some bird seed. Oh, gardening gloves. This is what happens when you buy the upgraded version of me. Don't try this at home. Ooh, don't try this at home. Hey. That's kind of funny because you're gonna.
Yeah.
Don't try this at home with Max.
Do try this at home.
Here we go. Backing it up. Remove plastic wrap. Oh, thank you. That's important. Do not remove the cardboard frame. That's a good point. Insert filter into the designated opening in your home furnace or air conditioning system with the arrow on the frame pointing towards the blower motor. Crap. The blower motor. All right. Oh, and number 3 is enjoy clean air. Look at the old. Oh my.
Oh god.
I think you should take a picture of us too, though. Blower motor. I'm acting like I know what that is. Danger. Oh, a sticker just peeled off. All right. The compartment must be closed except when servicing. What side does it go in? Well, the blower motor. I think this is the blower motor. I'm gonna put it in this way.
It goes in a little bit.
Who even knows if this is the appropriate size? It's just the one that was in there before, right?
True.
Alright, and then we put this back on. Should we do anything about this? Oh. Is this asbestos? There we go. And you have it. And there you have it. Just kidding. All right, guys, thank you so much for being a part of that journey with me. I'm looking forward to our next adventure together next week. We'll be back here tackling something else. I'm just kind of winging it, just like you, and I'm documenting the experience. Thank you so much for watching.